Every single day, millions of drivers spray something onto their car windows and call it protection. They trust the bottle. They trust the brand name. They trust the price tag. And most of the time, they are getting almost nothing in return. Most glass coatings look impressive for a day or two, then quietly disappear, and almost no one notices. Today, I'm breaking down the truth behind these products and showing you 5 glass coatings that actually last, tested in real-world conditions, not marketing claims. Number 5. Aquapel Glass Treatment. Aquapel has been used by professional auto glass installers for decades, and that professional history earns it the 5th position on this list. It uses a fluorocarbon-based bonding chemistry, different from the SiO2 approach of higher-ranked products but genuinely effective within its category. Aquapel bonds to glass through a chemical reaction rather than simply coating the surface. The result is a hydrophobic layer that independent testing consistently shows lasting between 3 and 6 months under normal driving conditions. Water beading angle measurements, the standard measurement of hydrophobic effectiveness, place Aquapel consistently above most consumer spray products. The limitation that keeps it at number 5 is its application process. Aquapel comes in single-use applicator capsules that must be applied carefully and buffed to a clear finish before they dry. Applied incorrectly, it leaves streaks that are difficult to remove. For drivers who are not comfortable with precise detailing work, the application window is unforgiving. The professional detailing community trusts Aquapel specifically for windshield application because of its proven longevity on a surface that takes constant abuse from wipers. Number 4. Rain-X Original Glass Water Repellent. Before you dismiss Rain-X as the basic product that has been on shelves since the 1970s, look at the independent testing data. On pure water beading performance and immediate visibility improvement in rain, Rain-X Original consistently scores at or near the top of every consumer-grade glass coating comparison published by independent automotive testing organizations. The chemistry is silicone-based and creates a genuinely effective hydrophobic surface that reduces the need for wipers at highway speeds and significantly improves visibility in heavy rain. Independent contact angle testing places Rain-X at water beading angles above 90 degrees, the threshold for genuinely effective hydrophobic performance. What keeps Rain-X at number 4 rather than higher is durability. Real-world testing shows the coating degrading noticeably after 4 to 6 weeks of normal driving and washing. For a product that requires reapplication every month to 6 weeks, the per-application cost is reasonable, but the maintenance commitment is real. Rain-X earns its place because it does what it says on the bottle consistently and measurably. In a market full of products that cannot make that claim, that consistency matters. If this is already changing how you look at the products on your shelf right now, hit subscribe immediately. Because the next video exposes the specific ingredients in cheap glass coatings that actually reduce visibility instead of improving it. Number 3. Technic G1 Clear Vision Smart Glass. This is where the ranking moves from consumer-grade products into professional-grade chemistry, and where the performance gap becomes impossible to ignore. Technic G1 uses a fluorinated SiO2 compound that bonds to glass at a deeper molecular level than either Rain-X or Aquapel. Independent durability testing places G1 at 6 to 12 months of effective hydrophobic performance under normal use, 2 to 3 times the durability of Rain-X and comparable to Aquapel at its best. Here is what makes G1 particularly impressive. Its performance does not degrade linearly. Most coatings show rapid initial degradation in the first few weeks followed by slower decline. G1 maintains consistent contact angle measurements across its entire service life. The water beading performance at month 6 is measurably close to the performance at week 1. That consistency is rare in this category and directly relevant to real-world visibility and safety. The application requires clean, oil-free glass and a precise method: thin, even layers with a microfiber applicator followed by buffing before cure. Applied correctly, it creates a surface that professional detailers describe as transformative in heavy rain. Applied incorrectly, it streaks and hazes. That application precision requirement keeps it at number 3 rather than higher. But for drivers willing to prepare the surface and follow the process, G1 delivers professional results at a price well below professional ceramic coating services. Number 2. Nanolex C3D. Nanolex C3D uses a third-generation silicon dioxide formulation that represents the current edge of consumer-accessible glass coating chemistry. Independent testing by professional detailing organizations in Europe, where glass coating standards are significantly more rigorous than most consumer markets, consistently places C3D at the top of durability rankings. Real-world application data from professional detailers across multiple climate conditions shows C3D maintaining effective hydrophobic performance for 12 to 18 months on properly prepared glass. That is not a manufacturer claim. That is documented performance from working detailers tracking results across hundreds of applications on vehicles driven in rain, heat, freezing temperatures, and road salt environments. Here is what the testing numbers show. C3D achieves water contact angles above 100 degrees on properly prepared glass, meaning water not only beads but actively rolls off the surface at extremely low contact forces. At highway speeds in rain, the practical result is a windshield that effectively self-clears without wipers above approximately 50 miles per hour. That is not marketing language. That is a measurable, documented performance characteristic. The investment is higher than Rain-X or even G1. And the surface preparation requirement is strict. The glass must be chemically cleaned and decontaminated before application or the bond is compromised from day one. But for drivers who make that investment correctly, C3D delivers performance that consumer spray products cannot approach. Number 1. CarPro Flyby Forte. CarPro Flyby Forte takes the top position on this list for one reason that no other product on the market currently matches: the combination of application simplicity and professional-grade performance in a single product. Flyby Forte uses CarPro's proprietary SiO2 spray coating technology that achieves genuine chemical bonding to glass with a spray-and-wipe application method that requires no special tools, no dedicated cure time, and no surface decontamination beyond clean glass. Independent testing places its initial hydrophobic performance on par with Nanolex C3D, water contact angles above 95 degrees, with durability testing showing consistent performance for 6 to 9 months under normal driving conditions. Here is what the professional detailing community consistently reports about Flyby Forte that separates it from everything else on this list. It is the only product in this performance tier that a careful first-time user can apply correctly on their first attempt. The application window is forgiving. The cure tolerance is wide. And the visual feedback during application makes it clear when the product has been applied evenly and when it needs additional buffing. A professional detailer in Germany who tracks glass coating performance across his entire client base submitted data showing Flyby Forte achieving effective hydrophobic performance on 92% of applications performed by clients who self-applied at home following his instructions. No other product in this tier approaches that application success rate outside of professional installation. For durability, it sits behind Nanolex C3D. For pure initial water beading performance, it is essentially equal. For real-world accessibility, the combination of professional performance and forgiving application, nothing on this list comes close. Here is the complete picture. If you want the maximum durability and are prepared to invest in proper surface preparation and precise application, Nanolex C3D is the technical leader. If you want professional performance with a forgiving application process that delivers consistent results without professional training, CarPro Flyby Forte is the right choice for the overwhelming majority of drivers. Rain-X earns its place as the reliable, accessible option for drivers who prefer frequent reapplication over a single longer-lasting treatment. Technic G1 sits in the middle ground between consumer and professional performance. And Aquapel remains the professional installer's choice for windshield applications where chemical bonding longevity on a high-abuse surface is the priority. What every product on this list has in common is that independent testing, professional detailer data, and real-world durability results support their claims. That is a distinction that separates them from the majority of what fills the glass coating shelf at your parts store. Before you buy anything for your car's glass, check the active ingredient. If the label does not list SiO2, TiO2, fluorocarbon, or fluorinated polymer as the primary active compound, you are buying a temporary surfactant solution dressed up as a coating. You are paying a coating price for a cleaner performance. And you will be back on the shelf buying another bottle in 3 weeks. If this ranking changed how you will approach your next glass care purchase, hit like and share it with one person who has been disappointed by products that did not last. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we publish detailed, data-driven car care content every single week. Drop a comment below telling us which glass coating you have been using and how long it actually lasted. We read every single one.